Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some retro glam, so stay tuned. So going retro is super fun. Today we're going to be playing with some super fun shades and colors. So let's get started. Okay, so my base is already done, which you guys can check out in my other YouTube channel tutorial on how to do your base. I'll be starting with my eyes after my base. I'm planning to wear some green lenses from Fresh Look. Okay, now I'm starting with some eyeshadow base from NYX, applying it all over my eyelid. Applying it very evenly. I have taken the Inglot Pigment in the shade 31, which is a pure pigment, a green color, and the pigment shade in the shade 71 from Inglot, which is a sea greenish bluish color, and I'm mixing both of them to create a lovely turquoise green, which I'll be now applying as my eyeliner. Now applying some highlighter on my brow bone. Lovely pearl color from Morphe palette. Okay, from my 35p Morphe palette, I'm taking a soft lilac color. I'm just applying it on my crease. Don't want too much of a smoky effect here, just a little bit. Okay, taking a very basic pearl eyeshadow and applying it on my eyelid. Doing the same thing on the other eye. Press and slide. Press and slide. I'm then going to be applying my eyeliner. Retro look is all about lovely long winged liners. I'm going to first make the outline of my wing on both the eyes, making it here and there. We don't want both the angles to look different on both the sides. Then create the liner, starting from the inner corner. Starting from the inner corner, coming outwards. Filling it in, starting from the outer corner, coming inwards. And then eventually we are going to join it. Okay, I'm taking Inglot Duraline liquid, which is used to make any powder eyeshadow into a liquid base product. Mixing my product into it and making it into a nice liquid liner. Now it's ready to apply. Apply it, starting it from the center. Okay, we're going to now wait till the liner dries off completely. We're going to then give finishing touches with the black liquid liner on it, whose edges have been a little ill-defined with this being applied on it. Okay, just taking my super liner from L'Oreal, which is a felt tip, and just defining the edges. Curling my lashes now. Don't need to apply much because I'm going to be applying lashes on it. Applying my lashes now. Applying some nude liner. Taking some sea green eyeshadow from Inglot. Okay, applying some Summer 20 mascara from Kiko Milano and applying it on my lower lashes. Taking some pearl eyeshadow again and placing it on the corner. I'm going to fill in some gaps with my eyebrow brow base from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Ebony Brown. Just filling in the gaps. And just shaping it. Applying some lip balm from Sebamed. Applying the lip pencil from Colourbar in the shade Berry Rose. That's my favorite pink color lip pencil that I usually apply on almost all lip colors. Applying the shade in Mars from Colourpop Cosmetics just on the outer corners of my lips because this shade is really bright. Filling it a bit inside, not too much. Then taking Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the shade Gossip Girl and just applying a tad bit to create an ombre effect. And we're done. So hope you guys found this video really fun and exciting to watch. So don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Thanks for watching. See ya.